Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my sixth lesson of D4, chapter number 5, exercise 5C, that is about the scalar multiplication of matrices. In this lesson, I will solve question number 5. Before going to the lesson, I just want to ask that for better understanding of this lesson, you should watch previous lessons so that you should have the clear base about this lesson. Let me read the question from the book. Question 5 says, that the monthly fee in dollars charged by three children centers given in the matrix C is C equals to 680 for children center X, and 720 is the fee by children center Y, and 635 is the fee by children center Z. C matrix is the monthly fee matrix. First requirement of the question is find the annual fee in dollars charged by each of three children's centers. Give your answer in matrix form. In the first part, we have to find the annual fee charged by three children's centers in form of dollars. Okay, and then the next information says during the June and December holidays, all the three children's center offer some special programs for an additional cost given in the matrix J and D respectively. Okay, so matrix J is the matrix for the June special, and the in children's center X charges 150 additional amount, and children's center Y charges 120, and children's center Z in June charges $200 extra. And for December's special program, so 180, 150 and 200 are the amounts which are given for children's center X, Y and Z. Then the second requirement is that we have to calculate 12C plus J plus D and explain what this matrix represents. And after that, the last part says Mrs. Yu wants to enroll her son in one of the children's centers, and she is interested in June special. Okay, June special program only. Which children's center charges the lowest fee? Okay, let's move to the solution of question one by one, and then we will decide about all the answers. This is the long question, so I've written the question in short form. And secondly, you must have to understand these type of questions well before CA exams, because they are the part of your exam. First part of the question says that find the annual fee, and what do we understand by the annual fee? That total fee for 12 months. So for that purpose, what we have to do, we have to evaluate the matrix 12C. Okay, 12C matrix we have to evaluate, and I have to multiply every entry of C matrix by 12, 680, 720, and then 635. And now what I have to do not forget the rule of scalar multiplication, that multiply each entry one by one carefully with the scalar which is outside, and these are the big numbers, so you can use calculators. 680 multiplied by 12, and this will give me 8,160, 8,160, coming to 720 multiplied by 12, and this will give me 8,640, and 635 multiplied by 12, and this will give me 7,620, 7,630. So this is the annual fee charged by the three children's centers in form of dollars. Okay, coming to the next part of the question, next information says that during the June and December holidays, all three children's centers are offering special programs, and for that, first of all, we have to compute the expression 12C. The second part is that we have to compute 12C. Okay, let me come over here so that I can complete the part properly. 12C plus J plus D expression. Now what I have to do, I can forward my answer of 12C from here. Okay, so that is 81, 8160. Be careful while you're copying the answer from the previous working. 8640, 8640, and 7620, 7620, because the next working is dependent upon this answer, and if this answer while copying you're writing some entry incorrect, the whole answer will be affected. And J matrix has the entries 150, 120, and 200, 200. And December D matrix has the entries 180, 150, 150, and 200. Okay, let me confirm the entries once again, because it's really important. Before proceeding next, I have to compare the entries 8160, 8640, and 7620. And your June special is given 150, 120, and 200, 150, 120, and 200, and December is given 180, 150, and 200. Now simply we have to add up these three matrices. So what we will be doing, this is 8160, 8160 plus 150 plus 180. Coming to the second row, 8640 plus 120 plus 150, and then third row is 7620 plus 200 plus 200. And let me close the bracket properly because I left it incomplete so that I can accommodate all of my entries. And let's add them up carefully. 8160 plus 150 plus 180, and this will give me 8490, 8490. Let me write it nicely, 8490. Okay, and then the second is 8640 plus 120 plus 150, and 8640 plus 120 plus 150 gives me 8910, $8,910. And coming to the third one, that is 7620 plus 400, and this is 8020. Okay, now 8020. After the calculation of 12C plus J plus D, the question asks us that we have to explain what this matrix represent. Now if we look at 12C, 12C is the annual fee for different child centers, and J plus D are the special offers in June and December. So this matrix will represent, or answer will represent, so this matrix or product is, okay, matrix will represent the annual fee in dollars, the annual fee in dollars by 3 children centers, by 3 children centers. But what about J and D? Including charges of special program, including charges of special programs in June and December. Okay, programs in June and December, PROGRAMM, okay, MES, programs in June and December. I hope you are clear about CEMBR. This reasoning, this is important because this question often comes in CI exams. And let me move to the last part of the question. Mrs. Yu, wants to enroll her son in one of the child centers, and she is interested in June special program. She is interested in June special program only. What children's center charges the lowest fee? Okay, now here we have to try to understand that Mrs. Yu must have to pay this 12C, but she wants to send son to June special program. So first of all, we have to find that how much total amount she has to pay if she sends her son to any one of these centers. So for this part, I have to find the answer of 12C plus J. Now look, again we are using this 12C, so we have to be careful about the calculation of this part. And answer of 12C we have to bring forward from the previous calculation. 8160 plus 8640 plus $7,620, and the June special has a value 150 for child center X, 120 for Y, and 200. Okay, now let's move to the next part, that is 8160 plus 150, and this gives me 8310, 8,310, and then 8640 plus 120, and this is 8760, 8,760, and 7620 plus 200, 7820. Okay, this is the amount that she has to pay to child center X, child center X, and this is the amount she has to pay to child center Y, and this is the amount she has to pay to child center Z. The question is saying that she will be sending her son to the center and the special program in which she has to pay minimum. Okay, if we compare these all values, we can see that child center X and Y are charging more, but the child center Z is charging only $7,820. So she will be sending, or she has to decide, center Z. So center Z will be the answer for this. Okay, center Z will be the answer for this. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.